Hey Michael, I'm George. I'm gonna give you this free site audit, kind of that I was telling you about. This is what's really gonna help you out with getting more clients. So if I type in duct cleaning San Antonio, don't worry, I won't click your ad, but I'm sure you understand this is the ad section. This here is the map section, and this here is the organic listing section. So the way that I actually get people to stop paying for ads is I put them in the map section and I put them in this section. So I noticed that specifically I have you third because I'm in the northeast side of town, and I got my tool pulled up, so I'm somewhere in here. Now these bubbles represent your rankings throughout the city. If someone looks for you in the maps specifically. So you can kind of tell I'm in this area, so you're popping up in the threes. Yeah, but that's where you're at with the maps. Let's go to averages. So you're actually doing pretty well because you're 7.71, but you have Gillett's duct cleaning, and these guys are beating you by a little, but they're still beating you. And then you got these guys beating you down here, Jeffrey air duct cleaning, and I want to say that was it. There's more, but I'm pretty sure that was it. So these two guys are actually getting better rankings in the maps. You can easily leverage the position you are in the maps by getting these things called citations. So citations are listings in directories that have your name, address, and your phone number. And sheerly the amount of citations you have will increase your rankings. I always recommend about 300 to 400. I'm not sure how many you have, but the more the better. Next, I'm going to get to your site. First thing I notice is you don't have many words. Google loves content, so check this out. So this makes me feel comfortable with you knowing what you do. You have a nice engaging video, so I'm going to actually want to watch this, which is cool. But you don't have much content. Like I said, Google loves content. They love writing. I recommend at least 1,500 words on a page. Now, these guys, if someone looks up Duct Cleaning San Antonio, pop up first. Bayer air conditioning and heating. And that's not even the main thing they focus on, but they're still getting it because of the amount of content they have. So they have 609 words, easily beatable. But another main factor is the structure of their on-site SEO. So content is one thing, the structure is something else. So you have a title. This is what pops up here. This is your SEO title, and this is your SEO description. Now, so this is your SEO title, 60 characters, perfect. But your description, you don't have a description. And your SEO title should probably be something about what you're actually offering, what service you're offering, and in what area. Sorry about that. So you're missing a description. There's a structure of header tags. Header tags are effectively the bones of your site and what's going to keep it nice. H1s is what your overall page is going to be known for. Now you have our coronavirus process cleans and sanitizes the air in your home or office. Although these are good words to have on your site, as far as the structure in SEO, it's actually not that good because now you're relating yourself to coronavirus over everything because of the type of header you have it as. Next, you have H2s, which are topics. So H1 actually would be something like duct cleaning in San Antonio. H2, you can talk about the type of duct cleaning you do. You can, these are topics within duct cleaning. H3s are subtopics of that. So you can see you don't have any H2s, and your H3 is the trusted name in air duct and HVAC cleaning reasons to choose IAQ. And then it's our skills and expertise, unmatched process, serving you with passion. There's more, but what I'm trying to say is the structure isn't as effective. Although these guys don't have the best SEO either. Their H1, which is what the overall site's known for, is air duct cleaning in San Antonio. So sorry, I said site. I meant the page. Each page has its own H1 structure, heading structure. So H1 is this. H2's Trusted San Antonio Vent Cleaning Service. So they have San Antonio Vent Cleaning Service. They have San Antonio Air Duct Cleanings. This makes them super relevant in the local area. And they still have that content. So next, I want to talk to you about these things called backlinks, which is really what's going to help you in the organic listings. A backlink is effectively a vote from another site. An example of a backlink is if a news station writes like a 500-word or 1,000-word article about your site and about what you do, and then in that they have a link that goes to your site. That is a backlink. Now I'm looking and it says you only have 4 backlinks. Now these are the metrics of your site. DR is domain rating. It's effectively the trust factor that search engines have in your site. So this is out of 100, you have 0.2. UR is URL rating. Effectively, this is the power factor that your page has. So you have 3, and that's out of 100 as well. Now these guys have 146 backlinks. DR of 5. These aren't tough metrics to beat or tough numbers to beat, but this is what they have. 5 UR is 8. URL, so power, trust. So this is how they are beating you in the organic listings. And that's how this Bayer air conditioning guys are #1 right now. And this is just closer to my area, but remember I said these Gillett's duct cleaning guys and here, Jeffrey Air Duct Cleaning, these guys as well, have some pretty decent rankings in the map. So if you want to start taking over San Antonio, just to recap, the 3 steps that I was talking about today is the amount of content you have. You need 1,500 words on your homepage. The amount of backlinks you have, you're going to need to bump up your backlinks by a large number. I think you had 4, and the other guys had over 150, I think. Citations, you're really going to have to bump up your listings in these directories that have your name, address, and phone number. And that is exactly what's going to start driving people to your site and boosting your rankings. If you like what I'm saying, feel free to reach back out to me at george@underdogleads.com. My website is just underdogleads.com. And I'm going to have my phone number attached in the email if you just want to give me a call. Thanks for taking the time to hear me out. Have a good one.